The words to this cheer are blue and white, blue and white. Blue and white, blue and white. Blue and white, blue and white. Okay, so the first motion, you're gonna pop out like this. Your left hand's gonna be in a dagger, and your right hand in a T for blue. And you're gonna pop up and to touchdown, and then go the opposite way, white. So right arm in a dagger, left arm in a T. Blue and white, and then pop out to right high V, blue and white, left arm. Okay, blue and white, blue and white. Okay, so we'll just keep doing it. Blue and white, blue and white.